think everybody here is quite familiar with my journey and how I went through. And thank you so much for the kind words. When you say a warrior, a survivor, I just want to say that I want to be a thriver. I want to thrive in life, because what happens is, thank you, by the time I discovered my cancer, I was at the 4th stage. And it needn't have been that. And that was a lesson that I learned, that I could have detected it much earlier. And the journey needn't have been as hard as it was. We'll talk about it, and the best part about today and the function that Priya organizes is that it's a happy place. It's a hopeful place. And that's what I think, when a foundation works with people, that's what they're doing. They're providing hope. I think everybody here is quite familiar with my journey and how I went through. And thank you so much for the kind words. When you say a warrior, a survivor, I just want to say that I want to be a thriver. I want to thrive in life, because what happens is, thank you, once you've been through this and you've been so close to seeing maybe the other side, but you come back, and every minute and every moment is precious, and you want to live it fully. You want to thrive every moment. So that's what I want to be known as a thriver who lived every moment. The World Cancer Day for me is special, because it is one of those days in the year when it reminds me when the old patterns start setting in, old ways of thinking start setting in. This day reminds me that it's not too far away. Anything can happen anyway. You have to make most of every moment that you get. And remember the 2 hashtags that were there: one day at a time and switch on the sunshine. And that has to be the mantra every day of our lives. In my introduction, I was introduced as the actor, the author, a book club, a mother, a daughter. There are so many labels that we have. And yes, they are a part of me, no doubt about it. But as my journey of 6 years of healing and recovering, I would say that the label, if that can be called that I would love to have, is somebody who brought awareness. When I was diagnosed with cancer, and when I put it out, I realized nobody was talking about it. It was very hush-hush. It was whispered. People, it was like a taboo, unsaid taboo. And that was when I said that as a public figure, this is where I can contribute. Because awareness is so important. Like Priya said, that if you're aware, you're going to go in for the testing, you will detect it early. And early detection saves lives. There's nothing more important than detecting it early. That was my case too. I should have been able to, with all the exposure, education, and the facilities at my that I could benefit from. Still, it took. By the time I discovered my cancer, I was at the 4th stage. And it needn't have been that. And that was a lesson that I learned, that I could have detected it much earlier. And the journey needn't have been as hard as it was. We all know that when you go all the way to the 4th stage, the kind of treatment that you have to go through is so harsh. The side effects of the treatment, the recovery from the treatment, the doctors, we don't need to be technicians, we don't need to know too much about the disease to know the fact that it needs to be spoken about. It should not be something that should be hidden. It's not something that you should blame the patient for. It is something that can happen to anybody in any strata of society. It doesn't mean that you have a bad lifestyle. Yes, all those things contribute, but there should be no blame. It should be something that we should all have conversations about, and especially here, we're all educated people. It's a conversation that we need to have with people who are not so exposed, who are not so aware, of people who we employ, of people who work with us. Bring these conversations, make it normal, make it something so that the awareness increases, so that people go in for testing early and you can detect it early. The other main thing is that where testing is concerned, a lot of times we all go into the whole testing zone and saying, I know that there's a huge reason why people think that we wasted the money. See, they made us test and nothing came out of it. But when nothing comes out of it, we need to celebrate it. Not feel bad about the money that we've lost. We need to celebrate the fact that nothing came out of it. So testing is important. Unfortunately, there is no other way to tell you that yes, this is the case. So we have to go through testing. Don't blame the doctors when they ask you to test. It's for your benefit. So early detection saves life. And for early detection, awareness is important. This is one of those days. Let's bring more awareness about this disease, which is much more scarier, which is not as scary as we make it out to be if it is detected early. Thank you so much. And once again, congratulations to Priya and to Nargis Dutt Foundation for the wonderful, wonderful work you do. Yes, one more shout out to Tata Memorial and to the kiosk over there. Lots of amazing, amazing work done by the hospital, and the amount of help that they give out is so amazing. So to both Tata Memorial and to Nargis Dutt Foundation, lot of gratitude, lot of thank you, and all the best. And any time that I can be there for you, I'm always there. Thank you all again. Have a good evening.